Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chidima of Ucnoeline Beauty Empire. You are highly welcome. In case you're new here, thank you for coming. And for my old subscribers, thank you for tuning in back. So guys, on today's video we're going to make a low cut wig tutorial. So let's dive straight into the video. The materials I showed you are the materials you will need for this tutorial. You guys are familiar with all the materials I showed you earlier and the ones I'm showing you now. So for the wig, this is the type of cap I prefer to use for this kind of wig. What I'm doing now is to attach my lace. You can use already ventilated frontal. This is a frontal, is a 11 by 3 frontal. I'm not going to make it so deep. After attaching it, this is what the frontal looks like. So I'll go into start the crocheting the hair. For crocheting, this is the crocheting pin I'm using. You can use any crocheting pin as far as it can work well for you. And this is the kinky hair. I'm using kinky hair for this wig tutorial. It's a synthetic hair. So I'm going to cut my kinky hair as short as it will allow me to crochet it on the cap. So this is the length. You can go as shorter than this or longer, depending on how good you can use crochet the hair on the cap. So I have already crocheted the edges of the hair, which I showed you. So I'm going to quickly show you how I did the crocheting. It's a very simple method. I'm not going to emphasize more on the crocheting or the ventilating. For the ventilating, which you're going to see, I'm just going to do brief introduction or explanation. Then I'll go straight to the main shoot, which is the cutting. That is where the work is. That is where I'll focus more on, because I know you know how to crochet. I've already showed you what I use in making it, the type of wig cap. I like this wig cap because of the shape it gives. You understand? But if you want to use any other thing, you can try out different options to know what works best for you. After that crocheting, I will ventilate the front, which I have tons of video, or not tons, sorry, I have few videos on ventilating, which I'm going to do an updated video on ventilating. In case you're interested in learning, just stay tuned, subscribe to this channel so you know, and make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any posts I make, on any video I upload. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like so far. Then this is what it's looking like. As I told you, I'm not going to emphasize on or show more details on crochet because I have nothing to show. It's not big deal, or crocheting is not big deal. So far you have the right materials for you, you can do any crochet. So after crocheting these parts, the way I'm showing you, did you understand what I did? If you don't understand anything, just let me know in the comment section, but I believe you understand because it's not difficult. Okay, after crocheting, which I'm going to show you the ventilating parts later. So now after crocheting the lace, that's the wig cap parts, this is what my crochet, you can see I have already started ventilating some part of the lace, which I'm going to show you quickly how I did the ventilating. So for ventilating, I did not use any pattern. I'm only ventilating randomly, and I'm not using too much strand of the kinky hair because it's thick. Kinky hair is thick. I'm using not more than 3 at most, some 3, some 2. But for the front, the hairline, I picked it 1-1. I used 1 strand on the edges so that it will appear more natural and realistic. So this is me ventilating the lace part. As you can see, it's not easy. I know you'll be wondering, what is this tiny thing I'm using to ventilate? Don't worry, it is the ventilating pin. You and I know, but mine broke. If you are old on my channel, you understand. You see me use this ventilating pin. I've been using it for long and I love it so much. Whenever I use it, I don't feel like I have anything. I don't feel the weight in my hand. Okay, that's why I love using it. But don't worry, don't bother yourself. It is a ventilating pin, in case you're wondering. And this is how I'm ventilating. You can see that it's not that easy to ventilate this kind of kinky hair. Sometimes it might break your pins, but you have to be very careful and patient while doing this. Okay. I hope you guys have seen how I achieved the frontal part. Now I'm going to show you how I did the cutting, which is the most important part of this video. So this is what the hair looks like after everything. See, it looks so bushy and shapeless, right? And this is me doing the cutting. As you can see, I started just somewhere for me to see, because everybody don't know where to put hand. And let me tell you again, if you are cutting it, don't go deep down it immediately for the first cutting. You can start small, just take it from up little by little, keep building it till you get your desired level. Okay, keep cutting with your scissors. I don't know what else you want to use, but I'm using my scissors, so it will be easy. I'm not using other things, because scissors is better for me. If you have any other thing that is better for you to cut this hair with, you can go ahead with it and try it. As I'm cutting, I'm checking the hair. You know, this hair is coily. As you're cutting, you use your hand to buff it out or comb it out, and keep cutting, leveling it little by little. So be careful not to cut off your wig cap. That's why I say you should take it little by little. Don't be in a hurry. Be patient while doing this. As you can see, the hair is getting the shape. It's looking more beautiful, or maybe it's looking better than how it was before I started the cutting. So for the edge, I did not cut deep there. I don't know how to explain it to you. I did not cut it deep because I want that edge, that part of the edge, to cover the thick parts of that edge. I don't know how to explain it, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. Don't cut once you get to the edge, don't cut it anyhow. Be strategic while cutting the edges. Yeah. So now I'm cutting the frontal part of the hair. I keep on cutting it this way. I make sure I cut it. I take my time to do the cutting. As I'm cutting, I'm checking the hair to see if everything is coming together as I envisioned it in my head, my brain. Yes. Then after cutting, I'm going to show you what the wig looks like on a mannequin head. So you have a view of what the wig will look like. Then on the next video, because I don't want this video to be very, very long, in my next video I will do the installation properly. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel this moment, please do so. Subscribe, okay, and make sure you turn on notification so you do not miss out on any posts I'll make on this channel. And for you that have watched to this moment, thank you so much for staying with me, and I'm so grateful. I'm very, very grateful to be with you guys to this moment. And if you're interested in ordering any wig, this wig in particular, I have it in retails and wholesale. Just check the link in the description box, the link that says to order a wig. That's my contact. Yeah, as you can see that I have some places that need to be filled with hair. I'll go ahead and do that. Come back and show you the final result. So this is the what the hair looks like. It's super lightweight and it is less maintenance. This is what the hair looks like. I will see you in the installation video. Guys, till then, stay blessed and be safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.